Kiki! O diba? Si Kuya. So excited ka na ba, Ate Max? Our beautiful driver? Here na kami sa Sydney! See you, Kiki! We're eating breakfast. As usual, Macas.
Yeah.
Macas is the best.
Kabalong sa mo ni guys.
Kabalo mga na guys, evil eye guys. Parang sa mga inggiters guys! We're here na sa Sydney guys! Hello guys! iPhone 15 Polypen!
Malamig klase guys.
Yes! Sydney Harbour! God! So ito po yung
Very famous. Yes, very famous. The Harbor Bridge.
mga ka-inggiters, this is Harbour Bridge ha? Nakita niyo ba yan? Yan! Oo, ito po yan.
Yes.
Opo, Your Honor.
Marami
po ako, Your Honor.
There are people upstairs.
Oo, pwede sila ano dyan, ano yun ate? Ano tawag dyan ate? Yung dito sa ano ba, sa taas ng bridge? Yes, dyan sa taas ng bridge, ano sila dyan? Mag-hiking. Yes! We're here in Sydney, Australia. And yeah, we will see you, Kiki! Excited! Excited ka na ba, kuya? Yes! Ikaw po, Miss Beautiful Driver!
Ako excited ako.
Yes! Okay. Sige, magpasalamat na tayo sa mga sponsorship.
Thank you, Timita.
Yung ibilay, nasaan yung ibilay? Yan. Diba? Diba? Sa mga pagpasangga ng mga negative vibes, yung mga ka-inggiters. Mag-check-in na kami. See you, Gigi! Excited na kayo? Asan yung evil eye, May? Asan yung evil eye? Asan yung... So, ito po yung bathroom. Dara ka dyan, te. Dara ka dyan. Ito po yung bed. Tsaka may may sofa bed doon. Then, we're gonna prepare for Gigi. Excited na kayo?
Yes.
Yes!
And we're going to sleep.
Hala, pwede ka mag-study dito, ate. Kasi may study table. Kiki! So, ito po yung labas. Medyo siya. There you go. Diba? Feel at home lang tayo, guys. Ganda ng art. Yeah. Adili, uy! Guys, I just woke up. At saka, nandito yung importante na bisita namin, si Nanay Wins! Pera o bayong?
Bayan.
Pera o bayong? Thank you so much sa sponsor, Kuya Nilong, sa pagkain. O, diba? Pakas na yan. Masarap.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
So guys, papunta na po kami kay Gigi! Are you excited, ate?
Yes.
How about you, Jem? Yes!
We love Libre.
Sponsorship.
For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did.
Yes! Jollibee! Pinang saya!
Jollibee! Boss! BJ!
Nandito kami mga inggiterns. Nagkakalat yung mga inggiterns sa Sydney!
You should be here.
Pinasok na tayo sa kwarto kanina.
Ate, ano to?
Jollibee!
Yung mga pangit. Yung mga pangit na Jollibee. Diba? Same kami ng outfit kasi mga ambisyosa kami. Every ambition, everyone. Yes!
For the special touch you give.
Jollibee. At napunta si Jollibee sa Sydney. Bida-bida kasi. Bye.
Sacrificing love. For you I win.
Hi, kaingitaners.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends.
So, kaingitaners, nandito pa kami sa train station.
I keep waiting for
Diba? Oh. Pa.
wasted again. I tell my friends.
Hello mga kaingitaners. Life update. Okay. Nahulog yung wallet ko. Ayaw ako na Guys, papunta na kami ni Ingiturns Gigi. Opo, yun po yung update ngayon. Bye!
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. For you I win. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I win. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
Akong ialagaran
For the special
sa nagmamagkasasala. Di mo akong ipapawisan. Ang sarap na halo-halo.
wanna be a sacrifice.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto niyo bang malaman ngayon ito? Kami umuwi, magbabalot muna kami. Balot! Lasang Pinoy! Hi, ate! Balot!
I tell my friends
At saka may si Chara.
feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel
Yan na! So, itong shop na to guys is like Filipino. Ano siya? Panglasang Pinoy. So, ang ng balot! ang sausawan. Ang sarap ng sausawan. At saka may somay.
I'm needing it more than I
Magbalot mukbang kami.
Batok lahat yan.
Oh, tsaka may chicharon pa, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Wins.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you for your sabas.
Diba? Ang saya. Diba?
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call.
Okay, so we're gonna
Need a miracle.
get back home.
Wasted again. I told
Thanks for joining us, Sheila.
like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun.
Hi guys, so I'm home and my husband was there playing. Yeah, it was really nice and we really enjoy Sydney trip and napakasaya namin and nagpapasalamat kami sa mga taong totoo at saka isa na rin yun sila Tita Wins and Kuya Sabas and all our friends, Timays, Jem, and Kuya Jerome, Sheila. And kahit simple lang yung buhay, but we still enjoyed and we're so happy together. And yeah, hindi nakasama yung husband ko because he has a work to do and hindi niya rin gusto manood ng GGs kasi hindi niya type. Yun lang. So guys, I just want you to know na yeah, we're happy there in Sydney and we will keep these memories, good memories together. And yeah, next time ulit. So thank you for watching my vlog and until next video. Bye. Good night.